Let's make an easy 15-minute meal prep recipe. These buffalo chicken blue cheese wraps. Start by cooking your chicken tenders or strips in the oven according to the directions on the package. Allow them to cool slightly, then cut them up into bite-sized pieces and throw them in a large bowl with about a cup of buffalo sauce. Toss the chicken in the sauce until everything is very thoroughly coated, like this, then set aside. On a wrap of your choice, layer shredded lettuce, sliced tomato, buffalo chicken, blue cheese crumbles, and ranch dressing. Make sure to wrap everything tightly. For this recipe, I decided to use my 3-compartment containers because I wanted to keep my wraps separated from my sides. By the way, you can find this coleslaw recipe a few videos back on my page. I hope you'll give this recipe a try.